Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy recipe that you're going to love. The good thing about this recipe is that it's cheap and very delicious. So let's get started. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a small pan, and over here I have a pot for my noodles. You're going to find everything listed down in the description box. So I have my tomatoes, onions, eggs, and noodles, and some coriander. I'm going to add onions to about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm using white onion. If you don't have the white onion, you can use the regular onion or spring onions. To my onions, I'm going to be adding in 1 small chili, which is very spicy. And then I'm going to cook my onions until soft. So while my onions cook, I'm going to place my pot over high flame. I've already added water, so I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil as I make my eggs. In today's recipe, I'm going to be making stewed eggs and noodles, which are going to be very delicious once you try out the recipe. My onions are softening up, so I'm going to add in my tomatoes. These are 2 large tomatoes. Stir in together with the onions. While my tomatoes cook, I'm going to be adding my seasoning. So I'm going to add in salt and black pepper. Mix everything to combine, and then I'm going to let my tomatoes cook until mushy. A long time ago, I used to enjoy having my stewed eggs with noodles because I was single and it was very fast to prepare. So it should take me around 10 minutes and I would have my dinner ready. My tomatoes are ready, and also my water has come to a boil. So I'm going to add in my noodles. Using a fork, I'm going to make sure the noodles are immersed in the water. Check on my tomatoes. This is how they're looking. So I'm going to add in some coriander, and then I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. So I'm going to crack in a small bowl. Make sure the eggs are fresh. And then I'm going to whisk. And then I'm going to add my eggs to my tomatoes. And then I'm going to stir slowly as the eggs cook. So you're going to cook your eggs to your preference. I'm going to be cooking mine for a further 30 seconds because I don't want the eggs to dry off. And I don't want the eggs to be runny. So my eggs are ready, and also my noodles are also ready. So I'm going to drain off the water, and then I'm going to serve. I've already served my noodles, so I'm going to serve my eggs, which are well seasoned and look very delicious. So that was a quick lunch. My lunch is ready, and it's been around 10 minutes. Actually, it's 10 minutes on the dot. So this is a very, very appetizing lunch, and I'm surely going to enjoy each and every bite because it's super delicious. The noodles are well seasoned from the bumbo sauce, and the eggs are also perfect. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe at home and enjoy.